Welcome to the future of wastewater treatment. In the heart of this transformation lies SRMT, a patented technology launched by Scogen with multiple successful installations. Raw sewage enters the plant, carrying impurities. Large debris is removed by bar screens, followed by grit separators that filter out stones and sand. In domestic and decentralized STPs, grit removal is skipped, and wastewater flows directly into the SRMT aeration zone, where BioSwirl media and diffusers enhance microbial growth, efficiently breaking down pollutants to meet strict environmental norms. The SRMT aeration zone is the heart of this technology, delivering unmatched treatment efficiency and cost advantages. In this zone, BioSwirl media, specially designed to enhance microbial growth, fluidizes continuously in the bottom half of the tank. The oxygen transfer from fine or coarse bubble diffusers ensures enough dissolved oxygen for the microorganism to thrive. The constant movement optimizes oxygen transfer and pollutant breakdown. Water flows from the aeration zone into the settling zone, a calm and agitation-free space where separation takes place. While undigested and heavier flocks, along with the BioSwirl media, return by gravity to the aeration zone, digested sludge floats to the top, forming a blanket over time. This calm settling zone offers perfect post-aerobic anoxic conditions for denitrification, a guarantee that Scogen is proud to provide. As the sludge blanket thickens and builds, it is passed into the sludge launder, which transfers it by gravity into the sludge drying bed. The treated water is versatile, usable for irrigation, flushing, construction, and gardening. With biological nutrient removal capabilities, it can also be discharged safely into natural streams. SRMT technology is also designed for cost efficiency. Fewer walls and partitions significantly reduce civil construction costs. Additionally, the elimination of equipment like sludge recirculation pumps and mechanical dewatering units minimizes capital expenditure requirements. Unlike traditional systems, SRMT technology reduces sludge production through efficient digestion. Sludge accumulates only after many months of operation, and the blanket overflows to the sludge collection trough and then to the sludge drying bed by gravity, eliminating the need for mechanical dewatering equipment. SRMT technology delivers three clear advantages: low CAPEX, low OPEX, and high purity. Join us at Scogen in transforming wastewater into a valuable resource with innovation and care.